another common raptor that we can see around Singapore, which I feel like is equally impressive. Ladies and gentlemen, that is the Brahminy kite. So please let's say hello to Sophia. Now watch this. Very high catch. Now Brahminy kites are medium-sized raptors, but don't let their size fool you. These birds are more than capable of stealing and snatching prey away from a bird as big as the white-bellied sea eagle. Beautiful and living. Now, while walking around our parks in Mandai, do remember to look up into the skies. You just might be lucky enough to spot yourself some bald raptors circling around and take a look. This is what they look like in the skies. So the one on the left is the silhouettes of the white-bellied sea eagle, and the right, the Brahminy kite.
And it's easy to spot the differences between these two birds. The size is obvious, but there's also the coloration and shape of the wings. For example, the white-bellied sea eagle has a V-shaped wing with a wedge-shaped tail.
While the Brahminy kites, on the other hand, they have F-shaped wings and a U-shaped tail. And of course, the fly is lots more brownish in color as compared to Nelson. Right, so fly, you're very excited to be back home. You know where home is, yeah? All the way back, ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up for Sophia, our Brahminy kite.
Each year, 2 million raptors migrate during the winter. From their breeding grounds in Europe and Asia, fly to as far as Africa. It is a perilous journey, and thousands never make it to their destination.
Well, many around the world are killed for sport, and we would need your help to save and protect these birds for our skies, the sea, and the sea.
So, Nigel, do you agree with me that birds are important to us humans?
Well, sure, in fact, you know what? I think that they play a vital role in the health of our planet.
Exactly. And the health of planet by saying removing all the animals and even getting rid of pests. The one bird in particular helps us with pest control. The blackbird is none other than the owls. And the rodents that they hunt for never hear them coming. Because owls are masters of everyone, allow me to introduce to you our lovely owls on the stage. We have Latif and Maya, Malay British owls, another of our local species.
Well, sure, you mentioned something about silence flight, right?
Yes, correct.
Now that is possible because owls, they have very soft edges at the tip of their feathers. So that helps them to alter air turbulence and even absorb noise, making their flight as quiet as a whistle. Not only that, these birds, they have excellent eyesight. In fact, they have binocular vision just like us.
Wow, fascinating. Let's pop it off. The colors of their eyes tell us where they tend to hunt. The owls with yellow color eyes, like Latif and Maya, well, they tend to hunt during the day. The orange eyes, they like to hunt during sunrise and sunset. And owls with black color eyes, oh, they love to hunt during the night. And with that, let's have one last look at our lovely owls as they head back in. So everyone, let's give it up for Latif and Maya, along with their trainer.
So owls help us to get rid of pests, right? The nature's pest controllers. But there is one other bird who helps us keep our environment safe and clean by getting rid of carcasses. Rochelle, do you know what bird that is?
Yes, you're talking about the vultures, right?
Vultures? Well, that is right, Sean. But vultures are one of the most commonly misunderstood birds in the world. Now, when you see them on TV, these birds are often portrayed as evil, circling around the sky. ominous music and the sense of impending doom. Well, we are here to tell you the real story.
The vultures are nature's cleanup tools. They use volatile air to fly and glide as they search for dead animals using their sense of sight and smell. The vultures help to prevent the spread of contagious diseases.
So we are ready, ladies and gentlemen. Keep your eyes right up there. And let's welcome Xena, our turkey vulture. They're coming all the way from the Americas. These are one of the few birds that they find a sense of smell.
Well, that means if there is a dead animal, turkey vultures are the first ones on the scene. And other vultures will follow suit in the hard work which is scraping apart the tongue hide of the dead animal.
And here's another fun fact about turkey vultures is that they have really acidic stomach acid. But it is as strong as car batteries and that helps them to digest everything pretty well. And with that said, I can see that you guys done a wonderful job. Let's give her a big hand. And focus all the way back to young Rayna. Thank you. Alright everyone, all eyes on the big screen. I'm taking a look at this very chaotic scene of creepers, vultures and different scavengers, and stripping a large carcass right down to its core. To me, this looks like a very disorganized frenzy.
But vultures are social creatures, and they respect the place in the pecking order. When vultures gather, there is a feeling protocol.
So let's meet our very next guest at the feast, our African white-backed vulture! Now these are the middleweights who feed on the flesh and organs of the carcass. So they are social and yet very aggressive eaters. About a group of 100 African white-backed vultures can strip a large carcass right down to its bones in less than 5 minutes. But once widely found in Africa, these birds are right now critically endangered.
And the next cause is delinquents that hide among the animals. Enter the Cillaris vulture, the heavyweight from Europe. Now, unlike other vultures, these birds are solitary except for the mate and have chicks. And it would feed on the carcass in its morning food. The male lies there with big feet with sharp talons and a hook beak, which helps to break apart how high of the animal to the chunk of flesh.
Y'all be able to more but joining us on stage, right?
Yes, that's right, Joe. Two more.
So everyone keep your eyes right up there. And here comes our American folks from Africa. And of course we have one more from that side. These birds have dagger-like beaks and a stern ornament.
And big scavengers are able to formulate networks as well with the vultures during the big feast. Well, ladies and gentlemen, about 11 species of vultures in Africa clean up to 70% of the continent area. Now we would all be in a lot of trouble without vultures.
That's right, Shawn, but unfortunately, around the world we are losing these birds at an alarming rate for various reasons caused by human activities, like deliberate poisoning, deforestation, electrocution, and even superstitious beliefs. Now many of these birds are right now critically endangered, and conservation efforts will be the only way we can save them from extinction. But they do their part to help us to keep our environment safe and clean. I think they deserve a lot more appreciation than that. So can you please give them a louder round of applause?
So today, human raptors and scavengers, these kings of the sky and walkers of our earth, are part of our ecosystem, part of our planet. And if we lose them, we lose a part of our family.
So please let us all learn to do our part, and let's learn to live in harmony with all granted.